Welcome to this presentation on assessing the vulnerabilities, cybersecurity challenges in power system infrastructure in Nigeria. This research was conducted by Isaac John Ibanga et al. And published in 17 June 2024. Today we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Power system infrastructure is crucial for modern societies, comprising interconnected components for generating, transmitting, and distributing electricity. Cybersecurity in this context refers to protecting these critical assets from cyber threats and vulnerabilities, essential for maintaining reliability and resilience amidst increasing digitalization. This study employed a survey research design in Nigeria. The population consisted of 46 respondents, 23 technical unit heads, and 23 heads of cybersecurity units from all 23 power generating plants in Nigeria. The entire population was surveyed, thus, no sampling was conducted. Data was collected using a structured questionnaire, the Cybersecurity Challenges in Power System Infrastructure Questionnaire, CCPS-IQ, developed by the researchers. Research question 1 revealed that the primary cyber threats targeting power system infrastructure include network-based threats, open parenthesis mean 4.77 close parenthesis. Advanced persistent threats, open parenthesis APTS close parenthesis open parenthesis mean 4.73 close parenthesis. And ransomware extortion open parenthesis mean 4.20 close parenthesis as the cluster with the lowest perceived severity. The findings regarding primary cyber threats align with existing research, identifying network-based attacks and APTS as significant concerns in Nigeria's power sector. The multifaceted impacts of cyber attacks on operational efficiency, including service disruptions and financial losses, are consistent with studies highlighting the severe consequences for critical infrastructure. The study concludes that Nigeria's power system infrastructure faces substantial cybersecurity challenges from a diverse range of threats, including network-based attacks, insider threats, and APTS. These threats have significant implications for operational efficiency and reliability. Effective mitigation requires a multi-layered strategy encompassing robust technical defenses, enhanced supply chain security, and continuous monitoring.